In the magical land of Equestria, a new era begins with an unexpected transformation and the return of enchantment. Sunny Starscout, an adventurous earth pony with an unyielding belief in the power of friendship, finds herself at the heart of a spellbinding change. Equestria has long been a place where different pony kinds, unicorns, pegasi, and earth ponies, lived in harmony. But over time, fear and mistrust caused divisions, and magic faded away. Sunny, however, never lost faith that unity could restore the land to its former glory. Her heart races with anticipation as she feels an otherworldly energy coursing through her. In the blink of an eye, Sunny transforms into an Alicorn, a majestic fusion of all pony kinds, with the wings of a Pegasus and the horn of a unicorn. This transformation signifies the resurgence of magic in Equestria. Amazed by her new form, Sunny embarks on a journey to bring the pony communities together. Alongside her, cherished friends join the mission: Izzy Moonbow, a lively unicorn with a creative spirit; Zip Storm, a bold and determined Pegasus; Hitch Trailblazer, the loyal sheriff of Maritime Bay; and Pip Petals, a Pegasus who sings tales of hope and unity. As they travel across Equestria, Sunny and her friends encounter challenges and naysayers resistant to change. Yet, their shared experiences and diverse talents prove powerful. Wherever they go, they share messages of tolerance and understanding, rekindling friendships that seemed lost forever. In time, Sunny's mission reveals that magic never truly vanished; it lay dormant, waiting for the hearts of Equestria's inhabitants to open once more. Each pony, regardless of their kind, possesses a unique magic, an indelible part of the great tapestry of life in Equestria. Sunny's transformation into an Alicorn becomes an emblem of hope, uniting a once fractured land. Under her guidance, magic flourishes, binding ponies together in a beautiful symphony of color and light. The story of Sunny Starscout is a reminder that with courage and friendship, even the most impossible dreams can come true, restoring magic not just to Equestria, but to the hearts of all who dare to believe in it.